Hey guys, it's What's for Dinner. I'm doing this a little bit early today because there's so much going on today. Jay Rodriguez from the Queer Eye for a Straight Guy, the original cast members, he is doing a Stageit live drag show today at 4 p.m. So you can buy a ticket for the entire household for $10 and anybody can watch. So I'm totally gonna tune into that. Also at 2 o'clock, the Fashion Distraction with Valerie from Chateau Bellage that's located on West Lewis and Mission Hills. She's doing a show. So I want to tune into that. But I have a marketing Zoom call to learn the latest and greatest craziness that our marketing gurus have been up to make us look even better out there in the world of real estate land. So I'm probably going to have Valerie's little Fashion Distraction on while I also peek over to see what Jay is up to. And then Randi Driscoll has her live show from Nashville. I think today is going to be day 29 that she's been doing this. And she's going to be on at 4 o'clock. So 4 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. So a lot of stuff going on today. And what is it that I'm making? I am going to make my mushroom bisque. And the other day I made cream of asparagus. And Chef Deborah Scott, who is part of the Cohen Restaurant Group and has Ventana and our beautiful Costera, she had mentioned that an ingredient I could add to that cream of asparagus is anisette. So I was really excited that she told me that and I wanted to share. So right now in the saute pan, I have onions and garlic sauteing with olive oil. And hey, Kathy, can you see that the print is actually showing correctly on the camera now? So it's not backwards. So I took a tutorial today on how to do Facebook Live so that you're horizontal as opposed to vertical. And my friend Sean Quadra, who is the gifted horse, Sean had texted me and told me that I needed to do that. And he's super good at giving me feedback. So onions, garlic, olive oil. And to that, I have all these nice chopped mushrooms. And again, I got saved today because I usually peel the skin off of every mushroom. And Chef Deborah told me not to do that. I could just wash them with a brush and just make sure they're really dry. So that I did. And chop them up. You know how much I love using a knife. I'm not very good at it, but I do like my Cutco knife. All right. So to that, I'm going to saute the mushrooms for quite a while and just kind of reduce them down. And I've got some sliced over here, and I've got some over here. And I'm going to stir them up. Okay, because it's keto, I'm adding butter as well. So it's all about adding extra fat. So here's some butter in there. And then I'm going to add these mushrooms to the pot, let them simmer down, and eventually I'm going to add some, you can either use vegetable or you can use beef. Today I'm going to use beef stock and bone broth because of the protein. So I'm going to add some bone broth, but you could use vegetable or chicken stock. I've done it both ways. To that I'm going to use a bay leaf. Remember to take the bay leaf out. You do not want to puree this while the bay leaf is in there. That would be disgusting. Right now I'm going to add salt and pepper. So get some salt in there. I'm not a very good salter, so I'll check that later. Of course, pepper. And now that I have my screen going the correct way, it's strictly pepper. I love this stuff. You can find it at Major Market here in Southwest Escondido has it. I think you can find it at Jimbo's. So it's really good stuff. Love that pepper. I also have some herbs that have a little tarragon in it, parsley. So I'm going to add some of that. And then from the garden, I have a little rosemary and a little, I think this is marjoram, or no, it's thyme. It's thyme. So I'm going to add some of that and some crushed red pepper. We like it spicy, nice and spicy. So anyway, from there, you're going to simmer it all down, and then you are going to add, well, I'm going to add because I like it very, very heavy in fat. So the Philadelphia cream cheese, I'm probably going to put a good cup of that in there. And then I'm going to use my handy dandy new immersion blender, and I'm going to blend the whole thing up and add a little bit of half and half and some sherry. So I think this is the key ingredient at the end. So that is how I make my cream of mushroom bisque, and that's what's for dinner, at least a part of it. And then today at 5:30, Kitchens for Good is doing a Zoom dinner hour. So, and it's completely free. I'll post the link. And you can make a donation to them as well. But Sam, the cooking guy, is going to be on there. Tommy Gomes, our fishmonger, is going to be there. And Chef Trevor are all three going to be cooking. And they also do like a specialty cocktail drink. They teach you all these different things, and you can virtually hang out with them. And if you want and sign up ahead of time, they'll even deliver ingredients to your house, which for some reason I didn't see the post, so I didn't get anything delivered today. I'm kind of bummed out about that. And then tomorrow, Mitch's Seafood down in Point Loma, they're going to have huge full crab boil dinners. So you might want to call them today to order yours to pick up. We are ordering some for tomorrow, even though Philip Fredrickson cannot eat shellfish. He's going to be super cool and have maybe leftover mushroom bisque. Who knows? And let me think what else. So we've got all kinds of things. 4 o'clock, Jay Rodriguez is doing a Stageit drag show. And at 4 o'clock, Randi Driscoll is doing her live performance down in Nashville that she does all the time. And it's really fun. And tomorrow I get to be on her segment doing It's What's for Dinner. And I'm going to make an appetizer that is from the pantry. So something that we already have. It's super easy. Somebody is at home and has some pantry goods. And her husband, Andrew, is going to make a specialty cocktail tomorrow. So that's at 4 Pacific Standard Time. And 2 o'clock, Valerie from West Lewis, Chateau Bellage, is going to do the fashion distraction. She's now, I think, maybe on day 28 or 29 of always doing these like 45-minute fashion segments. It's crazy the work that she puts into it. I know just from doing this little thing that, you have to think about it a little bit. So chopped mushrooms are ready to go in the pot. Hoping everybody is staying safe and healthy and staying physically distant while staying socially connected virtually. And mushroom bisque, it's what's for dinner. Have a good one. Take care.